Hi guys, welcome to the LeapScholar newsroom. All around the world, multiple variants of the vaccination for COVID-19 have been rolled out. Governments have closely monitored the vaccination process in order to be able to open up the country. Boston University has recently made an announcement stating that the university will accept all vaccinations for their fall term admission in 2021. Boston University has stated that international students who will be enrolled in fall term 2021 and will arrive on campus will still have to undergo travel quarantine and other requirements as set by the Commonwealth. Undergraduate international students who are residing in on-campus housing of BU, including continuing students and graduating students in May 2021, can stay at the university for 30 days without any cost to complete their second dose of vaccination of Moderna or Pfizer in case it is not done. BU hopes to reopen vaccine clinics in August so that they can offer on-campus vaccinations to students, faculty and staff. In the event that they are unable to obtain the vaccines required to operate their own clinics, they will work with students to identify nearby public vaccination sites when they arrive. BU advises both domestic and international students who are planning to stay in the United States after May to use the CDC Vax Finder to schedule their second shot of vaccination. Are you planning to study in the USA this fall? Talk to us in the comment section if you have queries. Thank you for watching.